I want you to remember, when you think that kids know what the word responsibility means, you think kids know all this type of stuff, go into this with assuming, like never, that they know nothing. I find that that's when I get less frustrated. I can walk in a room and I say, you know what, this child doesn't know how to enter a room. This child doesn't know what it means to own their behavior. Own your behavior. Tell me that you did something wrong. This child doesn't understand that lying is refusal. They're afraid of it. They're afraid they're going to get in trouble. All they know is that they want to avoid trouble, but they don't know what to do to correct it. And that's my biggest push, is how do I teach you what to do to correct it? So when I say never assume kids have skills that you think they should have. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.